invoice, and then like 3 or 4 days after that, you get a hard copy in the mail. And since the market's been so volatile here lately, they got to the point now where from the time that they send out materials, even though you don't get invoiced right then, it may be the next day or whatever, but your time starts right then, your 30 days start, or 15 days, whatever your pay period is. Some of them, we used to be net 30, now they're back up to net 15 because of the market.
That's right.
And that's based on the time that you pick up, not the time you're invoiced, but the time you pick up materials or materials are delivered. Your net 30 or your net 15 start right then. That's something that's just happened the last couple of months.
So has the ability to use materials as a negotiation tool, has that become compressed? I mean,
yeah, right now, because you can't predict what the market's going to do. So, as far as negotiating power with your materials, it's kind of going out the window at this point, because everything is, in our area right now is so fast paced. And another thing I found out in the last couple of weeks, you're talking about material pricing and what's happening here in Middle Tennessee. I found out that if you go to other neighboring states, like even Kentucky, Alabama, Georgia, Arkansas, you can get lumber packages considerably cheaper.
Hmm.
And the only thing I can figure is because there's such a demand right here in Middle Tennessee right now. But I've talked to a few contractors that are actually ordering lumber from other states right now because they can get them delivered here to Middle Tennessee cheaper than what they can buy it right here at home.
That's a hot tip right there from the contractors out there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But, I guess that's what you do, whenever you can't find the materials you need, you start looking, outsourcing and seeing where else you can get them at a better price. And
well, that is a good, if your materials in your area are too high, look outside your area.
Yeah. But as long as people continue to pay the prices, they're not going to go down. And it's like I said earlier, it's not really a supply and demand, because other than waiting an extra week or two, they're still getting the materials. They're just waiting a week or two longer. It's not like, it's a 6 month or 8 month wait. It's like I order materials, usually I get them in 2 weeks. Well, now I'm having to wait 3 weeks. But it's costing me 3 times as much as it was a year ago. So why not look around, see where you can get, materials at a cheaper price. In other states that aren't booming like we are, their material prices, they're up a little bit, but they're still relatively fair compared to what we're paying right here.
Yeah, Nashville's booming right now.
Yeah, for sure. And it's affecting everything around Nashville. I mean, you do probably 75, 100 mile radius, and it's the same thing.
Yeah.